Hey, this is Mike Durr, the Kingwood Mortgage Guy, and listen, we're going through this FHA series, and I get a lot of questions about FHA. This is probably one of the ones that I get the most often, and it's, can I get an FHA loan with previous credit problems? And the answer is yes, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to list the things that are kind of showstoppers in the world I live in. And I will tell you that I can do FHA loans at a lower FICO than almost every mortgage company, but then there may be some mortgage company somewhere else that can actually do them less than me. But here's the magic number for me. Right now on an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment, 600 FICO is the lowest we can go. So if you're 599, you're out. If you're 600, you're in. That's how it works. The next thing is you can't have any delinquent or derogatory credit accounts for the last 12 months. If you have those, if you have credit accounts in the last 12 months, you're out. If you don't have any late payments in the last 12 months, you're probably in. Another one is you can't have any open judgments. And you may not know what judgments are, and it's probably a good thing. But if somebody has filed a judgment on you, it has to be resolved or satisfied before you can do an FHA loan. Another one is you can't have had a foreclosure within the last 3 years. And the way they do it is they say the day that the property transferred from you to the bank, that's the day, and it's 3 years from that date. The same thing is true on, you can't have delinquent child support. So if you're delinquent on your child support, you're out. If you're not delinquent on your child support, you're in. Another one is you can't have delinquencies on your student loans because the government is basically insuring this loan. Well, they don't want to insure anybody that has late payments to them. And then finally, the last one I think about is that you can't actually do an FHA loan with a bankruptcy, Chapter 13, but it's hard. But if you're buying a new property, you need to have at least 2 years in most cases since you've had that bankruptcy before you can actually get a 203B loan. So anyway, hopefully that's important and you understand that information. But if you don't, I want you to call me. My number should be right up there. Love to chat with you about your specific situation. Let's figure out a way that we can get you into a house with the best financing possible. This is Mike Durr, the Kingwood Mortgage Guy. Talk to you soon.